A pork schnitzel fried meatball. We're starting with ground pork. I put the grater right over the bowl and I grate in a few tablespoons of onion, just like my mom always did back in the day. I added some salt. I'm adding a combination of thyme and parsley. A little black pepper, and I like white pepper in this as well. They hit a different place on your palate. They have two different flavors. And I like a little nutmeg. And a little lemon zest again for that brightness of flavor. Crack in 1 egg into the ground pork. And then you're going to add breadcrumbs moistened with some whole milk or half and half, whatever you put in your coffee. I drink black coffee, but John likes milk or half and half in his, so whatever we have on hand. You mix that all together, same deal. You roll it into the balls, use a scoop to have them all be the same shape and size. And then I set up a breading station, flour, egg, and breadcrumb. For the flour, season it with salt and pepper, same with the breadcrumb. Eggs, you can add a little mustard because we're going to serve these later with mustard if you want to spice it up in a fun way. And then you're just going to bread them just like you do a schnitzel when you're making a pork cutlet. I'm going to throw a few of these guys into my tabletop fryer. You're going to cook them to an internal temperature of about 160. Grab a snack. I've got some balls frying in the back. I'll show you how to serve both of these when you come back. The pork schnitzel meatballs, I just pile them up, and while they're still hot, sprinkle them with a little flaky sea salt. And then I serve them with lemon wedges to douse the schnitzel with, little pickles like cornichon on the side, or chopped dill pickles even is great, and grainy mustard or regular Dijon mustard for topping the schnitzel balls.